Today, I'll show you how to connect Printful to Squarespace, making it easier than ever to manage your print-on-demand business seamlessly. If you're new to this process, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step so that by the end of this video, you'll have your Printful's account fully integrated with Squarespace. To get started, head to your Squarespace dashboard and open your website. This is your main control center for everything related to your site, and it's where we'll begin the integration process. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll want to navigate to the settings section, which is where you can adjust various aspects of your site. Within settings, find the extensions option. If you don't see extensions right away, it might be directly on your main dashboard navigation, so keep an eye out for it. Extensions are like little helpers that expand your website's capabilities, and Printful is one of these handy tools. In the extensions section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type in Printful. This will direct you to the specific extension we need to connect to. After typing Printful in the search bar, you should see a tile or icon for Printful pop up. Click on this tile, which will bring up more details about what the extension can do for your Squarespace site. You'll notice an option to connect. Go ahead and click on Connect. Now, you may be prompted to log in to your Printful account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your login details handy to make this process as smooth as possible. Once logged in, follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your Printful account and your Squarespace website. This step is crucial as it allows the two platforms to communicate with each other, ensuring that your products, orders, and inventory are all synced up. Once connected, you'll be able to manage your Printful products directly from your Squarespace store. This integration will automate much of the tedious work, such as updating inventory and processing orders, saving you time and effort. You can now focus more on designing and marketing your products, knowing that the back-end logistics are taken care of. If at any point you encounter issues or have questions, both Squarespace and Printful offer excellent support resources and guides to help you troubleshoot common problems. Don't hesitate to reach out to them if you need additional assistance. And there you have it. Connecting Printful to Squarespace is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for your online store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your existing setup, this integration is a game changer for your business operations. Thanks for watching and happy selling.